Hello guys, I'm rushing to go home now because I just received my mouse over here and I'm very excited to hook it up to my PlayStation 4 Pro. I'll see you all in my room. So here's the mouse, and the brand is Victsing. It's a Chinese brand. As I was saying, I'm going to try this with my PlayStation 4 Pro, but through XIM4. Most of you already know that this is an adapter for mouse and keyboard to be able to use for console. Let's go ahead and open the box. So here's the mouse itself. A really nice mouse. Some rubber on the side. The main reason why I purchased this mouse is the shape. I'm just not sure why they use this material over here as the feet. First of all, I'm going to try plug and play if it's gonna work for PlayStation. I believe this is the software, but for now I'll just skip this one. Before I forget, here's the specification of the mouse. The maximum is 7250 dpi. Here's all you need with the setup: the XIM4, the PlayStation controller, the mouse, the gamepad or keyboard, and the cable which comes out of the box from the XIM4. The mouse is supposed to be plugged on the single dot here, and the port with two dots is the keyboard or the gamepad. On the other side is this cable which the other side will go through the PS4. Now from the port with three dots is the controller. So now here we are in the setup. It seems like it's already working. next button is already working.
Alright, let's get this done. Black Ops, go to work.
It is working.
Attack deploy beacon is offline.
Utilizing TAC deploy beacon.
It's working. And here is also the application for Xim4. And this is how I remap the buttons. You go to the Xim4 Manager app, you press this button over here, and you press the button over here, and it will show you everything. R2, L2, R3. Let's say for example the R2 is this one, and you press here. Scroll down. Forward. I use the equipment for L1, which is this one. And let's say for aim down sight is this one. And the sprint also is this one. See, it's easy. But before we finish this video, I just wanted to mention some of its features. Like, for example, the cable was not braided. It's one of the down part. The feet is metal. I think it's also a down part. But the RGB is amazing. There was a branding here which is, it is not RGB, it's only blue. The RGB part is only this line and the logo over here, and the color of the scroll wheel is also fixed, but there's a color presets and you can adjust it from this button. The yellow one is the highest one, which is the 7250 dpi. The button moves backward when you're pressing it like this, and there are also two buttons on the side, nothing on the right side. So I hope you like this video again, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more gaming setup, gadgets, and how-to and DIY videos. And I'll see you again in my next video.